Long with me to go to IKEA, so I'm actually getting myself ready to go. It's the first time in like this year going to IKEA, but we need to get a few things. I'm gonna film as much as I can because I'm going with the family, so it really depends on what I can film. But I'll try my best to film as much as I can in the shop. Yeah, so come along. Okay, so I feel like I'm marketing girl. Anyway, I am currently now going to be applying to some jobs. I actually do this anytime I have free time because, you know, this girl needs a job. So it's very important to do it in the time I can. Me being low-key weird for a second. Currently driving into IKEA. It took us like an hour and a half to get there, and then we decided to have a lunch. Here's me baking some cupcakes. I didn't end up taking any photos at the end. I'm really bad at all this recording. I keep forgetting to do the basic standard stuff, taking photos at the beginning and end. But I did bake, because this was, I believe, Saturday? Yeah, Saturday. Yes, I baked, cleaned, and hoovered the car. I just didn't film all that because, nah, too much footage, bro. I cooked a vanilla cake, and I had assistance from my mum because she's the best bake in the house, which was very helpful. And then I got them baked properly, and of course I look better. Who doesn't? Okay, so right, just gonna quickly review on today because might as well before I go to bed because I have church tomorrow. And I'm playing the piano for Father's Day. I actually have a lot to do. I need to make like a Father's Day probably presentation or card. I have to do that this week. And I need to figure out what I'm actually doing the whole day. I know we'll probably go to church, but yeah, I need to plan out what I'm actually going to be doing. But today I cleaned the car, hoovered the car, which is a big achievement for me. What did I do? I made cupcakes, which that was fun. I also worked on my portfolio a bit because it's been mentioned I look yellow. It's literally the shadow. Anyway, yeah, so I worked on my portfolio just a tiny bit. I might need to work on it more. I'm looking for a part-time, so I went on Facebook, and yo, Facebook people are so mean, honestly. Every time I post about my business or like anything to do with like getting a job or anything, people are rude. Like I tried to like not post like my proper business account and post, sorry, let me crack my neck, and post what's it called, like anonymously, because people can be rude on Facebook, like ruder than usual. So I was just like, you know, I'm not gonna even post like that, because I find that Facebook and TikTok, I don't really have much issues with Instagram. They are all rude, like the comments are so like rude, for no reason. So I know that will be something that I need to learn to deal with. However, it's annoying. Well, I've got an event tomorrow, so I'm not going to end the vlog here because I'll have an event tomorrow, and then Monday I'm probably going to clean. So I probably might just take you along the weekend and the beginning of the new week because might as well do that. But yeah, I'm probably gonna like ask my college, see if I can film in college, because honestly it'll be good content if I could. Yeah, so we'll see. However, yeah, that's what I was doing today. But yeah, I really need to face like the fact that I might get hate on, like even YouTuber might get hate on. So I need to learn to put up with it and deal with it. And probably just like remember that some people have different opinions and some people don't know how to understand that I am still a young person. So yeah, it's currently 12:20. It literally turned off when I was showing you 12:20. And I'm gonna probably have a shower, but then I don't really feel like going in the shower right now. But yeah, I need to. What else have I been doing? But I think that's it. And I'm trying to like, I wanna like organize myself a lot more into Notion. I really felt like I got a lot done today. Tomorrow I'm going out for an event, which I'll probably film on YouTube and TikTok. But to be honest, I need to actually start posting on my TikTok more. Yo, if you know, you know. But yeah. Okay, I'm actually gonna go. See you in the morning. Bye. Okay, well, I've zoomed in quick. This morning I just had a shower and now I'm gonna go get ready to go to church. And then after church I'm going to the event. So I've got my change of clothes in my bag. No, actually I don't have my change of clothes. I will have to change when I get home. And then go. But yeah. I am ready. This is the outfit for church. But yeah. Yeah, I'm still a bit tired, so yeah. I need to charge my phone as well. It's 9:14. So we went to this event in Twickenham called the Fume. If you were there, it was amazing. The food was very expensive, but for what you got, it was filling. And I thought the flavour of the food was not the best, but it was filling. Here's a burger that we had, which was amazing. Smash burger, and then this is one of the barbecues, which was amazing to see. I just realised as I'm going through the editing process, I forgot to film an outro. So this is your outro and your announcement for next year. Next week it will be a faith-based video, so stay tuned for that. And I really need to get better with doing these outros, but yeah, it is what it is. But thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. I hope you enjoy my day in lives, and I hope to do a lot more college day in lives next year. But I'll see you next week, Thursday. Bye.